We must trace our steps to understand how we arrived here. In the past few years, we have found ourselves at a point in our political history as a nation where the very foundation of democracy is being shaken. We have witnessed the continuous meddling in the affairs of opposition parties in our dear country, with the aim of taking Nigeria to a one-party system. Without a multi-party system, there is no democracy. So where is our multi-party? The economic and security situations have continued to deteriorate, putting the majority of Nigerians on survival mode. And this is on a daily basis. Those charged with the responsibility of looking out for the welfare of citizens are treating the authority they hold in trust as personal property that they can wield as they please. This is why for the past several months, one question has been at the top of my mind. Where do we go from here? Is this the way we are to continue as a nation? We have been pushed to the wall with the belief that we will turn against ourselves in confusion. Or worse still, that we will become too weary from trying to survive on a daily basis to fight back. They calculated and said opposition cannot unite. But I am here today to say that it is a miscalculation. The opposition is in Nigeria is not just political parties. The opposition is the everyday Nigerian for whom the country does not work. And even the opposition political parties in Nigeria remain collectively resolved to work together to present an alternative. This is the time for all of us to shake off the apathy that is gradually taking root and engage with the political process to ensure that Nigeria works for us. This is the time to confront our fears. Do not be afraid. Torí pé tí ẹkún bá pẹ́ dalẹ́, ayọ̀ ń bọ̀ ní òwúrọ̀, ayọ̀ ń bọ̀ fún Nàìjíríà lówùúrọ̀. It is time to engage as citizens and not spectators in our own country. We cannot be bystanders. We must engage, we must participate, and the outcome will be guaranteed. And for the opposition political parties, this is the time to unite. One party at a time. This is what PDP and APM were doing right now. It is the time to work in unity to give our dear nation the hard reset that it needs. Today, history is being made. I pronounce today the birth of Reset Nigeria movement. The time to reset Nigeria is now. And so today, in Oyo State, in Ibadan, Ibadan is the city of warriors. Ogun Okowari.
Ogun Okowari. Ọmọ bàbá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ nìkan fa. Ogun Okowari. Ìbàdàn.
Ogun Okowari.
Ìbàdàn. Ogun Okowari. Ọmọ bàbá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ nìkan fa. Ogun Okowari.
So today in Ibadan, the first Grand Alliance is formed. The Alliance of People's Democratic Party and the Allied People's Movement. This handshake will allow us field candidates at all levels. We will field candidates from top to bottom. We will field candidates from presidency to state assembly and everything in between. Therefore today, I, Seyi Makinde, FNSC, announce my candidacy for the position of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. History say and you will witness the birth of a new nation from May 29, 2027. Thank you and God bless you all. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you, Your Excellency. The national anthem.